Traffic-aware cruise control, or TAC for short, adjusts speed based upon the vehicles ahead of you. When TAC is available, a gray number appears near your speedometer here. This number is your set speed, the fastest your Tesla will travel when TAC is engaged. You can adjust set speed preferences and others from the autopilot menu. While TAC is active, you can lift off the pedals and your Tesla will travel at the set speed when the road is open and will slow down as necessary for curves and traffic in your lane ahead. TAC responds to most objects, but can't recognize everything, so be ready to take over as needed. TAC does not attempt to slow for traffic lights, stop signs, or other traffic controls unless your car is equipped with traffic light and stop sign control and has this feature enabled. Autosteer builds upon traffic-aware cruise control by adding steering assistance. A gray steering yoke icon appears here when Autosteer is available. To activate both TAC and Autosteer, press in on the right scroll wheel. The TAC icon, Autosteer icon, and the lane lines in the driving visualization turn blue. As its name suggests, Autosteer automatically moves the yoke to keep you centered in your lane. It does the work of constantly adjusting steering for you, so you can just lightly hold the yoke and scan your surroundings so you're ready in case you need to take over. To change your set speed while driving, scroll up or down using this control. Adjust your following distance from the autopilot menu. If your Tesla doesn't detect your hands on the yoke while using Autosteer, it will prompt you to apply more force to the yoke. It's measuring the small amount of resistance from your hands, so light turning force will clear this prompt. If you repeatedly ignore these warnings, you're using Autosteer unsafely and will be locked out from using it for the rest of your trip. To deactivate TAC and Autosteer, press in the scroll wheel again, or gently press the brake pedal.